This is Bethany Chambers here for another episode of IRONPROS Hot 5. Today we have with us Patrick Stevenson, Vice President of Product Management for Trimble. Patrick's been with Trimble for 10 years. He came to the company having run the product division at Caterpillar Trimble's joint venture before coming over as a general manager in civil construction software, and now he runs the platform product. Thank you for joining us today, Patrick.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about what Trimble has that you're working on right now.
I'd break it down into three very big things that we as Trimble have. A big undertaking that we've done is really more around what we call our business systems. So being easier to do business with. So a major undertaking in terms of our systems, making sure that we're easier to do business with our customers. That's been an effort that's been about ongoing for 2 years now. And really is starting to take a lot of shape as we start to roll it out more globally. The other big component I would say is the evolution of our platform strategy. So we have a big show coming up in November in Las Vegas, where we'll talk a little bit more about our platform strategy and what we're offering there. And I would say the third thing really is, hopefully there's a lot of buzz around what we call our Trimble Construction One offering, which is a group of Trimbling solutions that really do solve specific pain points for our mid-market customers. So we're really excited about rolling that out as well.
Yeah, we're definitely looking forward at IRONPROS to joining you at Trimble Dimensions in November. Tell us a little bit more about what is Trimble's North Star? What inspires your thousands of employees to work together to achieve success?
I think it's the simplicity of our strategy. So, we have a mission of transforming the way the world works. It's a really simple statement that I think has a lot of power behind it. And I think, all 12,000 plus employees at Trimble really get behind this idea of being able to transform how the world works. And then I say, we back that up with what we call as our connect and scale strategy. That really does talk to the breadth of Trimble solutions and how we actually provide those solutions and get that value into our customers' hands. I would say every employee within Trimble, understands the mission that we're on and the strategy that we're following. I resonate a lot with helping others seek their full potential. So to me, that's the greatest thing about what we do every day is we create these solutions that help our customers achieve that potential. Whether it's getting things done on time, whether it's doing things in more sustainable fashion, whether it's just being that 1% better every day. Trimble has a breadth of solutions that we deliver to our customers that can do that. And that's pretty inspiring. I think that's really makes it pretty easy to get up early and stay up late, when you're working on something that does that.
What makes Trimble solutions different from anything else out there on the market?
So our solutions, we tend to say that we intersect the what, the where, and the why. And I think that's really something that Trimble has. When we talk about, the what, it really is our solutions that we have around our planning. So being able to actually design something that you want to set out and do. So the breadth of our solutions across all of our industries, all of our sectors, it really does start with a plan of what are you going to do? What are you trying to achieve? And then we really get into the where, which I think is a huge component of Trimble's history. So very precise location in the physical world of where things need to take place and providing those data elements that help make better decisions when you start to combine them with what are you setting out to do. And then the why component. So the why piece, where we sit in that intersection is really how do we take all of this information together and provide better answers to make better decisions. To me, I think Trimble hands down is able to provide solutions, and not just solutions, but best-in-class solutions, I would say, in all of those areas that really can help, drive different outcomes, drive a better outcome for our customers.
What are some ways that Trimble ensures its products are on the leading edge?
I think just our attention to where our investments are. So we definitely, as a company, have a culture of innovation. And we tend to invest a lot into our R&D, and that's just one component. But I think the other piece to that is where we do it and how we do it to drive innovation. Our company really does embrace We have certain things like hackathons that allow our teams to really come up with, crazy ideas, and we give them the time, we give them the space to see these ideas come to fruition. We do certain things with our pilots around new and emerging tools. We're doing one right now with Copilot in the AI space. So a lot of the teams are getting excited about AI and how it can help our customers. And we're really, providing the space, providing the freedom to really investigate what are some of those use cases that we can help use AI as a mechanism to deliver a better outcome. I really haven't seen another company embrace that level of innovation and provide that level of freedom with the ability to experiment. So it's really exciting.
What is the biggest challenge facing contractors today, and how are you helping them solve that challenge?
I see a couple of different things that are major pain points when it comes to their actual data. So the ability to capture all of this data from the different data sources and mechanisms that are producing this data, they're really trying to get a better understanding and more predictability on future efforts, future projects, where they want to make their future investments. And the data being fragmented and siloed is really what I see a lot of customers struggling with. Is how do we actually grasp all of this? How do we take all of this disparate information, put it together so that we can make a better decision? There isn't a customer, big or small, that I haven't run into that doesn't struggle with that. And I think that drives a lot of our strategy, especially when I reference our platform strategy. It really is about breaking down those data silos, is what we call them, bringing that information together, normalizing it in a way where you can make better decisions on top of it. Because at the end of the day, that's what all of our customers are trying to do. They're trying to make better decisions faster. One of the things that we're doing here within Trimble and our product portfolio especially is the use of capturing data and metrics ourselves. So we're a data-driven company. We capture a ton of data about how our systems are being used, who's using them, et cetera. And what you're referencing is kind of what we would call as our engagement metrics. So the easiest way to get that objectivity and understand if your solutions are easy to use is ask your customers. So we do a lot of that. We have a lot of customer engagement, whether that's through our applications themselves or with our team members themselves. That's one mechanism. The other piece really is what I mentioned is we capture a lot of data. We measure a lot of different things. So how quickly does it take a user to complete a task gives us some indication of, did we have the most intuitive workflow? Another thing that we do quite well as a software organization is our investment in our user experience teams. So we do a lot of upfront research. We do a lot of testing. We do a lot of, what we call discovery to ensure that as we set out to solve a problem, that we're engaged with our customers on the solutioning of that problem. So that they're engaged throughout the process and can help us understand, is it really intuitive? And we can measure it.
Everyone recognizes the distinctive Trimble logo out on the job site. It's everywhere. What are the benefits of working with a provider that has hardware, software, and services in the scale of Trimble?
Yeah, 100%. I think this is a big thing that we talk about when we talk about connecting the digital and physical world. So, we are unique in the sense that we are able to do that with the breadth of our portfolio. We have a mantra here that we do want to be open. So our platform strategy is an open strategy. We recognize that our customers use as many non-Trimble solutions as they do Trimble solutions. But what we want to ensure is that when we are using Trimble solutions, or when our customers are using Trimble solutions, that they do work more uniquely together. There's certain advantages that you can get by having, an all Trimble solution. But we also, by no means, want to say you have to have all Trimble. So that's really part of our open strategy. So making sure that we are interoperable with other solutions, so that we can help our customers just achieve their outcomes. That's the end goal. Ideally, it'd be great, if you're using our solutions to do it, but that's okay if you're not. We just want to make sure that we're helping you be better.
Well, this has been a wonderful Hot 5 episode here for IRONPROS.com. I'm Bethany Chambers, and thank you again to Patrick Stevenson from Trimble for joining us here today.